Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Bigo Live in your mobile device. Go to your Google Play Store and then search for Bigo Live. Click on the second link and press install. Wait for a while and Bigo Live will be installed in your mobile device shortly. Congratulations, your application has been installed. This was a video on how you can download and install Bigo Live in your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.